Hello and welcome, creative friends. Today we are crafting something soft, cozy, and full of festive spirit. X-Mix trees made from fleece fabric. Fleece is one of the most easiest thing, most affordable, and warmest fabric to the work with, and it's perfect for X-Mix craft. In this video, we will explore fleece and cardboard craft and ceramic making product, how to make fleece, xmx trees, some variations are tips, and even how can turn these handmade decoration into a small business idea. Fleece is thick, fluffy, and doesn't fray, which means you don't need advanced sewing skill to work with it. It cuts cleanly, holds its shapes, and feels incredibly cozy. Just like the holiday, a fleece tree can be a soft table centerpiece, a child-friendly decoration, or even a gift idea for friends and family. Materials is step-by-step process. Here what you will need. Green fleece fabric for or any color you like. Scissor, hot glue or fabric glue. A cone base, you can cardboard foam or even roll paper into a cone. Embellishments, buttons, beads, ribbons, sequins. Cut your fleece into strips about 2-3 inches. Fringe the spirit by cutting small slits along one edge. Starting from the bottom of the cone, glue each strip around with the fringe facing down like branches. Keep layering strips upwards until you reach the top. Add decoration. Glue on beads as ornament, tie a ribbon bow or sprinkle glitter. Finish with a fleece star or pom-pom on top. Now have you a soft fluffy fleece X-Mix tree ready. There are many ways to customize your fleece trees, rustic style and add some cardboard style. So cardboard trees. So you will mix fleece cardboard style X-Mix trees into the soft, cozy, but also eco-friendly and sculpture. The way you want to make, here's the tips. Today we are crafting something magical. X-Mix trees made with cardboard. These two materials, fleece and cardboard, these two materials might sound completely different. One is soft and cozy, the other is strong and recycled. But together they create beautiful budget-friendly decorations in this beautiful. I will show you these designs, very beautiful ideas of trees, and even combine both for unique holiday pieces. Plus I will share something handy business tips to your craft into sales. So now let's try cardboard materials. Cardboard sheet, scissor or craft knife, hot glue, paint or wrapping paper. Cut two identical tree shapes from cardboard. On one, cut a slit from bottom to the middle. The other cut from the top to the middle. Slide them together to create a standing 3D. Paint green, wrap with fabric or cover with glitter. Decorate with buttons, sequins or fairy lights. This tree is structured, sturdy and eco-friendly, perfect if you want something long-lasting. Here's the fun part, mixing both materials. Wrap a cardboard cone with fleece strips for extra sturdiness. Add cardboard stars, snowflakes, or cut out ornaments to your fleece tree. Use fleece bows and trims to decorate a cardboard tree. Create a set, one moss fleece tree and one rustic cardboard tree displayed side by side. The combination gives your holiday decor texture and contrast, making it stand out beautifully. I would like to sell this handmade trees. If you would like to sell these handmade trees, here is how. Eco Angel. Market cardboard trees as sustainable and fleece trees as cozy child-friendly decor. Gift bundles. Sale pairs. One fleece, one cardboard tree, and ornaments. Personalization. Add customer initials or colors to match their holiday name.